At UC San Diego, we have a group called ACMS, or Academic Computing and Media Services, which has been, over the last few years, changing what they do away from just computer system support to instructional design and helping with educational technologies. And in fact, Educational Technology Services is their new name. And this group has really been a valuable resource for us, not only in the sense that they have professional film crews and professional editing, green screen services. They have really helped us not only with planning, but also with providing workshops on how different technologies are used. Another important resource has been Dr. Madeleine Picciotto, who has been the director of the Writing Center at UC San Diego. She has also provided a great deal of help in developing learning objectives and giving feedback to students on presentations and writing assignments. She also provided workshops on conducting effective interviews and writing review articles.
My favorite workshop was actually the workshop with Dr. P from the Writing Center. In terms of interview skills and whatnot, and I think she really opened up our eyes in terms of how difficult it is to actually not only like do the interview, but also to be able to write up after the interview, because that's the most difficult part of the interview.
The workshops that turned out to be, I think, the most helpful were some that were more conceptual. A workshop on branding. Developing a good logo is actually a very thoughtful process, and it's a thoughtful process that needs to encompass these things of who are we, what is it that we want to do, and how do we want the world to see us. And so we have in fact developed a logo. That logo was developed by the students in collaboration with a professional graphic designer.
As a student of our BioClock Studio expand from not just biology is to business or communication. We need to orient them. We do the lab crawl as one of the workshops to introduce them with the model organism or how the lab work in different systems, from plant to mammalian of mouse rodent model and cyanobacteria, so they can have when they select the project, so they can familiar themselves with what they are going to work with.